You'll get to know the 7 tips on how to get rich from nothing. Keep watching this video till the end, as the 7th tip is the most crucial one to follow. Now let's start. Number 1. Develop a comprehensive financial strategy. Establishing financial prosperity begins with the development of a robust financial strategy. Consider it the cornerstone of your financial growth strategy. A financial plan serves as a detailed blueprint that captures your income, expenses, debts, and assets. After you have a clear understanding of your current circumstances, the subsequent step is to establish both short-term and long-term objectives. What motivates you to pursue wealth accumulation? Are you considering the possibility of an early retirement or making significant charitable contributions? Are you considering investing in a larger home or establishing a college fund for your children? Clearly outline the exact amount of funds required to achieve each objective and establish a timeline for reaching those targets. Next, detail the precise actions required to achieve your objectives. Collaborating with a professional can assist you in crafting a comprehensive strategy for your financial goals. An experienced specialist can offer valuable guidance on intricate financial matters, including investment strategies, tax loss harvesting, and risk management techniques. When seeking a financial professional, prioritize those who uphold a fiduciary responsibility, ensuring they are committed to acting in your best interest. Inquire about their suggestions and ensure you have a clear understanding of their fee arrangement to avoid any unexpected expenses. Number 2. Begin creating a budget. Establishing a budget is crucial for accumulating wealth. This approach enables you to gain insight into your expenditures, prevent unnecessary spending, and pinpoint resources that can be directed towards savings and investment opportunities. Here's a straightforward approach to establishing a budget in just a few easy steps. I've come across individuals earning $500,000 annually who struggle with mortgage payments due to not prioritizing saving before spending. Begin by assessing your financial situation to determine your income and expenditures. Next, assess potential adjustments that could enhance your earnings or reduce your expenditures. This could involve implementing minor adjustments, such as preparing meals at home rather than dining out, or more significant shifts, like relocating to a more affordable living space. A widely accepted guideline for effective budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. It suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and investment purposes. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips to get rich. Number 3. Optimize your savings. To ensure you remain dedicated to your savings objectives, consider setting up automatic deductions from your paycheck or checking account on a monthly basis. This allows your savings to grow effortlessly, minimizing the temptation to make unnecessary expenditures. It's important to prioritize the establishment of an emergency fund if you haven't done so yet. It is advisable to maintain a cash reserve that amounts to 3 to 6 months, or potentially more, of your living expenses. This fund will be essential in the event of unforeseen circumstances, such as vehicle repairs or a malfunctioning water heater. Establishing an emergency fund is essential for preventing the accumulation of high-interest credit card debt and safeguarding your credit score. The location of your savings is crucial. For your emergency fund and short-term savings objectives such as purchasing a home, a high-yield savings account can be an excellent choice. These accounts are presenting their most competitive rates in years, a result of the recent interest rate increases implemented by the Federal Reserve. Given the ever-evolving nature of financial circumstances, it is crucial to review your savings strategy at least annually. Number 4. Oversee your liabilities. Managing your debt effectively is crucial for wealth accumulation. It's not necessary to eradicate all your debt immediately. However, focusing on paying off high-interest credit cards and personal loans should be your primary concern. Consider the journey of wealth accumulation as akin to participating in a long marathon, where any existing debt acts as a burden that hinders your progress. Is it feasible to complete a long marathon while wearing weights on your ankles? Absolutely. Are you able to operate with both speed and efficiency? It seems highly unlikely. To effectively eliminate debt, it's advisable to choose a management strategy, such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Additionally, setting a specific debt payoff date can serve as a strong motivator throughout the process. Utilizing budget calculators, repayment calculators, and financial planning apps can be an effective way to monitor your financial progress. Consider exploring the possibility of negotiating with your creditors to achieve lower monthly payments or a reduction in your interest rates. Number 5. Allocate resources wisely. Investing allows your saved funds to generate returns, thereby enhancing your financial growth. This approach represents a highly effective strategy for individuals to enhance their net worth and successfully reach long-term objectives such as retirement. The stock market presents a favorable opportunity for those looking to invest over the long term. Saving money is essential. However, it's crucial to recognize the potential erosion of purchasing power over time due to inflation. Therefore, investing becomes an important strategy to consider. In numerous respects, the opportunity to invest is now more attainable and cost-effective than it has ever been. Opening a brokerage account online is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes, allowing you to begin investing with a minimal initial investment. Many brokers have eliminated commission fees, and you also have the option to engage a robo-advisor for a modest monthly fee to manage your investment selections. To safeguard your assets, it's essential to maintain a diversified portfolio. This involves holding a diverse portfolio of assets that may not always fluctuate in unison. An expert can assist you in selecting investments that are in line with your objectives. Number 6. Recognize the implications of taxes. It's important to consider tax consequences while investing to build wealth. There are acceptable ways to reduce, postpone, or eliminate taxes on investment returns, enabling you to keep more of your profits. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts like regular IRAs and company 401k may help delay taxes until retirement. In the current tax year, contributions are tax-deductible, improving your financial plan. While Roth accounts do not provide a tax deduction for the current year, their investment gains are tax-free. Roth account withdrawals are tax-free. 401k plan participants must contribute enough to get the company match, which may boost their earnings. As you develop, maximize retirement contributions. To reduce investment taxes, hold your money for a year. Normally, this has better rates than short-term capital gains, which are taxed at standard income tax rates. Number 7. Protect your assets. You must protect your cash resources after careful growth. Insurance is a cheap way to protect your finances. Insurance promises to compensate for losses in exchange for a premium. Risk management can benefit from insurance. For basic needs, consider house, health, and life insurance. Your home and valuables are protected by homeowners insurance. Personal liability insurance in a home's policy protects you against property-related injuries. Specialized insurance for floods, earthquakes, and other location-specific hazards is recommended. Invest in your health. Health insurance can provide you the peace of mind to focus on other financial goals. Employers often offer reasonable long-term disability and critical illness insurance. Now, watch the video appearing on the right side to know the minimum amount you need to let compounding work for you. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.